So from here we're going down in there. Balik na pamidri sa Denise, it's a puzzle. She said it's a puzzle.
How are you going to get there? This way.
Go down there. Follow her, she knows. Back to the Falkland Palace. Go na dad, gara-gara. So, Kining Falkland Palace is a very old palace. It's raining, Dad. You hear the birdies? Oh, so nice birdies. Huh? Oh, someone's there. Okay, don't make noise, Dad. Okay, someone's there. Okay. We won't make noise.
What does that mean?
Taking videos, Dad. What it says?
Battery not charging. What does that mean?
Something
That's a
wrong with the
battery.
battery.
It's a battery.
She's hiding. She's hiding. Oh, I thought you're hiding na. Oh, there's birdies in there hiding. Ah, battery lagi, Dad. No,
No, it could be the motherboard. Because
that's what my first.
no, I don't think it's a battery. Because I don't think I've got a battery that long.
I'm taking videos, Dad. No, that's old batteries, I think. Denise. Ay, why? You said to me somebody's here. There's nobody here. Huh? Ah.
Look there.
I know, but it's not there. You said to me somebody's there.
Well, I saw the book.
Start here. Look at that. Look at the low pins. You call that low pins? Yeah, the purple.
Yeah.
Oh, it's all purple here. And then there's roses. Look at the roses, Nak.
Yeah.
Look at the roses. Go farther. I'll take your photo. Go. Go. And then look at here. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Well done. Roses. Nice kayo siya. Unsa na? Unsa na? Unsa na? Uy, don't touch it ha, kay basig poisonous na. Don't touch please. Ana ra pag picture, malingkod ka gamay, dayan ana dayan. Tada.
Could I show our
Shell R. Si David napas taas. Just leave daddy ay bahala sa daddy. Tadali nak. Can we start at the very right side, nak? We start at the right side, nak. Ay, hapit na mo. Oh, man. Ako sa ning Kaya mag-ulan na, bahala na sa daddy. Ay, nice kinak oh. Go there in the middle. Dali, go in the middle. Take picture there. I'm pointing the camera. Look at here. Farther pa. Okay, look at here. 1, 2, 3. Lift your hands. There. Well done. Very nice. Guys. Hi guys. Ayaw ha? Bantay ka. Okay. Okay, go. Welcome to Denise's garden. Is this your garden, Denise?
I found something. Like,
wow. B, what did you see? What
it's
did
a
you find?
fairy. It's a fairy.
B, look at here, B. Show the fairy here. Oh, fairy in a...
Leaf.
Oh, wow.
I think that's not their babies that they play in.
Oh, wow. Lah, so nice ba yaaning all the yellow, oy. Nice man kaayong yellow,
We're gonna
oy.
keep the fairy.
Ambot aha si Davido, oy. Wow, Delia. Oh. Oh, wow. All this. So nice. Look at that. Ding, ding. Ding. Oh, wow. It's nice, nak.
Yeah.
Ah, there's a fairy and a flowery. Let's go. Come on, keep going here, nak. White. This is white. This is.
Whoa.
Wow, that's nice. Wow, there's fairy in the yellow flower. And then there's a fairy in the dahlia. It's nice to leave that fairy, nak, no? No? It's nice, but just leave it and then take video. Anyway. Is anak? Nah, it's not good. This one is so nice here. This is amazing. The other side. The other side. Very big garden here. And then there's Denise coming. Sana all ikaw. Ikaw ingon. Sana all ikaw. Sana all.
Found the fairy. I found the fairy.
Then we're going to the pond. Denise, walk in the lavender. Come on. Denise will walk slowly, slowly, nak, slowly. Denise will walk in the lavender. Hi, Denise. Wave. Wave, come here. Look at here. Nak, can I do that? Can you take video of me going that way? Come on, come here. Come here. Ako na pod. So you focus me, okay? I'm wearing this same purple. So you just have to look like that. Slowly, slowly where I walk, okay? Okay, ha? Only the lavender and me. Like that, like that, like that. No. Like that, okay? And then you follow, okay? You talk, you talk.
Okay. Here's Mom in the lavender. There's Mom. There's Mom and the lavender flower, and she's She is so beautiful. And she's walking to the edge. Can
Okay, go.
I go to the condo?
Mahulog ka, ha? Mahulog ka. Unsay na ah?
Tell me that it's very nice. Yeah, it's very nice.
Hello.
See the drop.
Nay water lily nak oh. Water lilies. 3 of them. Oh. There's one there. Nice, no?
Look, there's a fairy.
Ah, nay fairy sa water lily.
Okay.
Nice kayo. Maybe. And then we go in the side ka.
I put in there.
That's the Royal Tennis Court, the oldest tennis
Let's
court
go and check
in
it out.
the world.
Mom, let's go and check it out.
Go. It's the oldest tennis court in the world. Here in Falkland Palace.
There's nice.
Oh, ni ang pinaka-oldest tennis court in the whole world. Dagan kay birds diri.
Yeah, there's birds in the nest.
This is the oldest tennis court in the world. 450 years, imagine. I wonder if Mori been here. So, mao ni siya guys, ang oldest tennis court in the world.
Mom, there's a door.
Wait, anak.
That's me.
Ta, go ta takas daddy mangita sa tuwa dali na. Then we go to the inside there and then out. Daddy is still there. I think he's busy.
What? Oh, wait, he's right there.
I just leave him. Dad! Dad! Dad!
Dad, we're here.
Nah, he did not hear you. Bungol po.
Can I go to him?
Yeah, you can.
You go there.
Roses. Roses here. Finishing. The roses finishing. Napunindot kayo di like color, different colors. Orange, pink, light pink, like purpley. Amazing. Yellow, na pada yellow, white.